Hey guys! So today I am finally updating my Dia Ita bag. It has been a hot second since my last Dia related video has gone up. Have you missed me mentioning my Ita bag in like every video? I sure have. So I'm not going to show you the full bag until the end. This is the back of it though. I haven't changed the outer bag. This is still the WeGo knockoff bag, but if you guys want to see the finished end results, go ahead and go to the time here. So my Dia collection has actually grown. I've got her Dendroid, this figure now that I got in LA. And my bag really needed an update. It's been a long time. I got some new straps for it, but I haven't been able to add them yet. And I just like wasn't happy with the way it looked. So I tried to change things up and make things just like kind of more appealing to look at. So let's go. Alright, so long time, no Dia. I have not updated this bag in a hot second, despite now having this adorable friend. So we're gonna go ahead and take it all out, take it all apart, put it back together, because I do not like how this looks right now. Oh, I bought these. Okay, it's been a while since I've gotten this, and I haven't put it on my bag. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then, so cute. Oh, and I have another little Dia. I have my pins. Tiny Dia. So much candy in here. That's good to know in case I need candy for anything. I'm prepared. Got the Aquas badge that fell off. And then of course I have the insert I made, which is holding together pretty well. It is not of course a prime beautiful piece of sewing work, but it is what it is. So let's just take everything off and see what's going on. It's been a while again since I've taken this apart. Everything apparently was being secured by yeah. So main problems with this bag right now is that everything is hanging on to these three main pins, which would be fine if it looked nice, but it doesn't. It looks very jumbled, very messy. So I'm not going to go through and say where I got everything in this bag. I actually have another video up that you guys can check out if you want to see where I got everything. Anything else that is new I've bought off of other people on either Instagram or places like that. So you can see I just have a bit of a jumbled Dia mess going on here. Like look at this. So I think what I'm gonna do is, because I have been having trouble with the way the bag looks when it's filled, is just ignoring the heart cutout. I'm gonna put everything on here the way I want it to look, and then I'm gonna hope it looks nice when it's in the heart cutout. So I think what I'm actually going to start with doing to my insert is I'm gonna sew it in the back so it stays a bit more taut and tight, and hopefully that will help it from sagging and from anything weighing it down too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll be back in a bit. Alright, so I've now kind of tethered up the extra fabric. I'm hoping this bump won't be a problem putting it in the bag. But here's my insert once again. So I'm trying to decide how I want to do this because I can't find any of my extra pins that I bought. I think I used a vast majority of them on my Ichigo bag, but I really don't want to have to rely on using these pins to hold everything up. It's not the most convenient technique, and I kind of want to have them at the bottom. So I'm just gonna lay out what I was thinking. I also found this pearl strand though that I gotten for a costume I hadn't used. So I'm thinking maybe I could hang stuff from these and then it would be kind of cute and maybe like elegant. So I know for sure I want this strap. Oh, everything is all like connected because I was just trying to MacGyver it all to stay. So I'm just gonna choose the straps that I know I want on here. I think I want this one. Definitely, I love this. So cute. This one's hard because, ooh, I put a pin through it. Oh, I didn't even know I had a Dia pin. What am I doing? This one's so big. I definitely love the felt strap. Not sure where it would go. I like this one that I got recently. This one as well. Maybe try and put the rubber straps together. Oh, maybe I can hang these from the pearls. So let's see if I can take this apart without pearls flying everywhere. These are very fake, by the way, in case any of you were somehow concerned. that I had ridiculous amounts of money to spend on fake pearls, or real pearls. I bought them years ago for a Vocaloid cosplay that we were gonna do. Which I think I have like a very old video where I showed me making one of the dresses for that cosplay that did not end up happening, sadly. Okay, so these are 2 separate strands. Well, what I could do is I could just put them on a different string, I guess. Maybe just some thread. I mean, not like there's a lot of stretch to this anyway, so it wouldn't make too much of a difference. Thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I've gone ahead and added this chain, sort of, or beads. So I'm gonna add my straps onto it and just kind of check out how it looks and if I like it or if I don't, if I want to change something, just kind of get a feel for how the bag is working. So the nice thing about the beads is that I can, of course, just clip these on in between each thing. This might work out. I just need to decide how I want to hang it all and what I want to have me wear. She's so cute. I like the idea of these being next to the straps and the matching outfits, but because of the chain style they're on, I'm not sure of how I can make it work quite yet. Alright, so I've been making a bit of progress. This one just keeps falling off. I'm not sure what I've done to do that. Okay, here's what we are looking at right now. I'm not sure about how I want to hang the things that are gonna go down here. That's kind of the next problem I want to solve. Ugh, I have just so many things that are so big and it's such a small bag. It's making me contemplate getting a tote bag, but I really like the backpack. Like, I like being able to use it as a backpack. Those are my favorite styles of bags. So maybe, I should tap everything and move the camera around a bunch. I might go ahead and add these badges up here. So there's something up there, and then down here, I think what I want, maybe this bad boy, and my felt one, and my squishy one. And I still have so many items. I have so many things, and I'm not loving any way that I put them all on the bag. I think maybe I should hold off on this giant one, just so I can put this one on, because I think it's so funny. It's like a transformation. And maybe I should just try getting all of these on here and then seeing what else I can do. Alright, so I'm kind of just MacGyvering a way to get these to hang off of the charms that are on the chain so that they're long enough so that they don't really look like they're just hanging off the charms that are on the chain. This is my lesson learned again in just buying more bobby pins and little rings and a pair of pliers. Using my scissors is not safe. Check out how this is hanging. This is okay. This is too long, obviously, so maybe I have a shorter chain I can try and use. I think this one's smaller and it's making those stick out. I'm hoping everything lays a bit flatter in the actual bag. So what bags are you all currently working on? I haven't been buying much merch because I am currently in a bit of a money saving mood for the sake of my future. Or should I just use this longer one? And I should just use the longer one and hang it from the top. Doi. Okay, let's see how this looks. So much of this is trial and error. I've not been active on the Ita Bag Facebook group. I haven't looked up anybody's bags in a while, but I have been enjoying looking on Instagram, of course. I do still have changes I want to make to my Ichigo one. It is definitely not finished. I guess neither is this one necessarily, though I have not been paying attention to it. Sorry, Daya. Alright, that is looking better, I believe. So, where to go from here? I'm thinking of maybe just adding these along the bottom and having them be underneath, but I'm not sure if that'll be just like super hidden and unknown. Oh, I want to add this one somewhere because I love it. We're doing okay. Well, I kind of like that she's just peeking out, so maybe I'll try and hang the other one off right here. Because you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Alright, how long before this is just a tangled dye mess? Or is it already? Out of bags? Out of bags. Okay, and let's, should I add these at the top? Or maybe I should. Have them all hanging out. I don't know where the third one is. I have 3, right? I've always had 3. What did I do with the third? This is odd. Oh, I've been standing on it this whole time. Alright. See if I can add them. Here's the first attempt. I think I'm gonna have to adjust these two, but I think that one's okay. But it's already looking better. I like the pearls. I think it adds something. Okay, let's try one more time. Alright, here we go. I believe this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and put it in the bag and see how it actually looks in the bag. So here we have them all in the bag. You obviously can't really see my friend too well down here, but I think that overall this looks much better than it did before. I love the addition of the pearls. I want to get maybe a bunch of rubber straps and hang them on here. I think that'd be super cute. This looks okay. I mean, like the reason I had them reinforced with pipe cleaners was because these shuffle around, so I might have to do this again. But I think that for now it is still busy, but I think it is a bit classier about how busy it is. So I think overall I do like it. Yay! Alright, I really like how this looks so much more. I think the pearls really make it look a bit nicer, a bit fancier. I think with the pins behind it, it looks nice. Everything hanging down is still a bit of a mess, but that's something I definitely want to keep working on. Maybe choose like one rubber strap and like go ham and get a bunch of them, do like grapevine stuff like that. I don't know. I think it is hard because this is such a small bag, so I think that's one of the challenges with using such a small Ita bag. It's just kind of what I'm going to work with and what I'm going to keep going with because I like the bag, I like the shape, and I like the size of it. Also, I have my lovely little plush Daya, which is so cute, except she gets fluff on her. But yeah, I love her, love having her on here, and I love the bag. I'm really happy with the changes I made. So I hope that this video was somewhat interesting and maybe a bit informative. If you guys are planning on updating your bags or starting a bag soon, I do have some other Ita Bag videos on my channel. Yes, I pronounce it Ita Bag sometimes, habits die hard, but if you want to watch them, you can go ahead and click right up there in the cards, and I'll try and have a playlist to all my Ita Bag and Love Live related videos so you guys can check them out if that's what you like. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to give it a like if you enjoyed it, or subscribe if you'd like to see more Ita Bag related videos. I'm sure I'll get some more in there sometime. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye!